What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we're going to talk about the pay hour. Okay guys, another super crazy DJ just went live and I am about to go in. Before I can go into it, let me just tell you that this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all. This is a time sensitive project, okay? So make sure before you enter this project, make sure that the project is still up and running by the time you're watching this video. Okay guys, so the sooner you enter the project, if you want to, the better. Okay, simple as that. They also have a TG chat if you want to ask more questions about this project. 396 members, currently 21 online. Okay guys, I'm going to leave all the links in the description below. So what is the Pay Hour Pro? Okay, so the Pay Hour is a project. It's a super high risky DGen where you have 6 plans and each plan has a different daily APR. So bear in mind guys, you can withdraw hourly. Okay, so the plan number 1, the basic one, you get 1% for 120 hours. The plan number 2, 1.2% for 100 hours. The plan number 3, 1.5 for 80 hours. Plan number 4, you get 2% for 60 hours. Plan number 5, you get 2.4 for 50 hours. And plan number 6, you get 3% for 40 hours. And each plan has a minimum and maximum, okay? Depending on your risk tolerance, just select the plan that you want to roll with and boom. Also, they offer you a calculator. So the plan that I'm going to go with, it will be this one right here, 2.4. So we come over here, we select 2.4, and I'm gonna go in with 600 bucks. Okay, so 50 hours is 2 days and 2 hours. Okay, so in 2 days and 2 hours, I will be ROI. So my total profit will be 100%. That means I will be making 120 bucks profit, okay, in 2 days in 2 hours. Okay, but the longer you go, so for example, if you go for the plan number 3, okay, you put 2.5k, right? That's a lot of dough. You'll make 500 bucks in just under 2 days. Okay, that's a lot of money. If you scroll further down, we can see that the referral commission is 5%. Okay guys, and running days 0, total accounts 53 fresh, like I said to you guys, and total deposit 44k already. Damn, that's a lot. Total withdrawn, obviously this thing just went live, so not many people withdraw funds. Okay, so 435 bucks. Okay, online visitors 146, and over here we can see last investments and last cash outs. Okay, I can see Prime Crypto. Yeah, shout out to Prime Crypto. So how do we play with this? So the link's going to be down in the description. All you got to do is click on account register right there. Okay, and it will take you to this page. Okay, on this page you don't have to put your real name and all that. Okay guys, so it's very simple. So you put your name, you put your username, can be the same, email address can be, you just create a burner email address, and then you find a password and you are good to go. So I'm going to fill these details and I'm going to show you what next. Okay guys, so once you are in, so this is your dashboard. Okay, so there are a few things that you have to do. So you come over here to edit accounts. Okay, so you click on edit accounts, and then on here you will have to come to your MetaMask. Okay, you copy your wallet address, you come over here and you will enter your address right there, address right there, address right there. Okay, so this is for your payment. Okay, and then you come over here, change accounts. Okay, and this will be saved. Okay, so that's done. You are good to go. Over here is where you find your referral link. Okay, so you'll get 5% for every person that you refer. This is your referral link. Copy that referral link, share with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. Okay, obviously, I haven't made any deposits, so there is no point coming over here. Deposit history. So as we go along, I will show you how everything works and withdraw as well. So tomorrow or so, or in a few hours, I will make a live withdrawal so you can see how everything works. Okay, but let's go over to make a deposit. Okay guys, make a deposit, and the plan that I'm going to go for is this one right here. So 2.4 for 50 hours. Okay, we're going to click to select. Okay, so this plan has been selected. So the minimum is 500, the maximum is $24.99. Okay, and then you scroll further down and you select the coin that you want to deposit. So I'm going to select Tether BEP20. Okay, so you select that one, scroll further down, and you select the amount. Okay, so we're going to go for 600 bucks. Okay, and we're going to hit spend. So now it will show you a summary of our deposit. Okay, 2.4 hourly for 50 hours. Okay, so credit amount 600 bucks, and deposits debit amount is 600 bucks. So all I got to do right now is copy this wallet address, come over here to the MetaMask. As you can see, I've got 615 right there, so I paste the wallet address right there, and I'm typing in 600 right there. Okay, so just double check F65. Okay, nothing is missing. 0x0. Yes, I'm happy with that. I'm going to confirm on my ledger, and after that it will take you to the payment. It will show you the payment. Okay, just confirming now on the ledger. Okay guys, you gotta play safe. Okay, just confirmed. So now this will change for 2 confirmations. Okay, so we're going to receive 1 confirmation, and then we will receive the 2nd confirmation, and we are good to go. So MetaMask popped up. Okay, that went through. So now this will change, and then once this has changed, that means we are earning. Okay, we are earning 2.4% hourly for 50 hours. Okay, it might take a few seconds, probably 1 minute or so, and then after that we are good to go. So let's go over to deposits, and let's see if we have our deposit ready. There you go guys. So waiting for 2 confirmations. So 1 confirmation is here. Okay, and let's go over to our deposit, and let's see if our deposit already landed. Okay, nothing. And as you can see right here, our deposit is here. Okay, so it will expire in 2 days and 1 hour. Okay, it's going to be 2 hours, but whatever. Okay, so 7 p.m. the hour is correct. So from now, you know, I am earning 2.4% of this investment at 600 bucks right here. Okay, it's not a lot. Okay, not a lot. So if you do 600 times 2.4%, that's 86 bucks. Huh? God damn it. 86 bucks. It can't be. 600 times 2.4%. Man, I think this is messed up. Anyway, whatever guys. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2.4% hourly from this 600 bucks. Okay, for 50 hours. Okay, so after 50 hours, my total ROI will be 120%. And basically that's it guys. I'm gonna do a follow-up video showing proof of the profits, and also a live deposit, a live withdrawal, my bad. And basically that's it guys. All the links going to be down in the description. Again, only invest risk capital, okay, because we don't know how long this project will last. And the team behind this project, they launched a previous project that lasted more than 10 days. Okay, I was not in that one because I missed that one. Okay, but you know, if you want to find out more information about that project, just come over to the TG. Okay, TG link's going to be down in the description as well, so you can chat to the team and find out more information about the team, the members, and upcoming projects. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.